Wow, cute color. Let's use this color. Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw beautiful and cute healthy vegetables in an easy way. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. Here I draw a cute brinjal. This is called brinjal. And this is also called eggplant. And here I am drawing a cute carrot. This is called carrot. Let's draw a corn. Here I am drawing a cute corn. This is called corn. Now I'm drawing here a cute tomato. This is called tomato. Do you know, kids, what is the name of this beautiful vegetable? Yes, this is called green peas. Cute green peas.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to
I completed to draw the picture. Now let's start to color it. Here I am using green color. Color, which color do you want? I want green color. Here I am using red color for the leaves. And now I am using purple color for the brinjal. Yes, brinjal is always purple color. Color, which color do you want? I want purple color. Brinjal. Do you like brinjal? Yes, I do. Yummy. Brinjal is yummy. Color, which color do you want? I want orange color. Carrot. Do you like carrot? Yes, I do. Yummy. Carrot is yummy. Here I am using light green color. Color, which color do you want? I want light green color. Corn. Do you like corn? No, I don't. Corn is yucky. Let's use the yellow color because corn is always yellow color. Color, which color do you want? I want yellow color. Here I am again using deep green color. Color, which color do you want? I want deep green color. And now I am using red color because tomato is always red color. Color, which color do you want? I want red color. Here I am again using deep green color because green peas is always green color. So it's called green peas. Here I am using light green color. Color, color, which color do you want? I want light green color. Wow, all the vegetables are looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it, and let's learn all the vegetable names. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, bye bye little champs.